Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Melissa here again, and today I'm going to show you guys how to wash the headband wig. I'm going to wash it with VO5 Shea shampoo and some Aussie Moist 3-minute. And I also have the wig stand that Myfirstwigs gave free. That will be to dry the wig on after I wash it. Okay guys, so I just like to rinse the wig off first, get anything extra oils off of it first, and I like to rinse it just with water, particularly warm water. And then I'm going to apply the VO5 Shea shampoo. Now you just want to make sure you have a generous amount of shampoo applied. You want to wash where the band is. You want to wash the combs and make sure everything is just really clean. And I'm going to take my detangling brush and distribute all that shampoo throughout the hair and make sure it's detangled. It's not that many tangles in this wig, but you know, you just want to detangle it. Make sure you don't snag the brush on anything like the band or the adjustable straps or the combs, but just distribute all that shampoo throughout the wig. You also want to make sure you wash the inside of the cap because it can get really oily and yucky considering what you put on your hair. And you just want to make sure that is nice and clean as well. So I'm trying to rinse all the soap off of this wig. Make sure the water is running clear to get all the soap out so I can put on the conditioner. Okay, and then you want to put a nice amount of the 3-minute conditioner on this wig, and you want to let it sit for 3 minutes. That'll give it enough moisture in this wig. It'll help with detangling. You don't really have to put it on the band though. And then you want to take the comb again and comb through it for any tangles or whatever. Just make sure you put a nice amount though to distribute all of that conditioner throughout the hair. And we're going to rinse the conditioner out. Make sure the water is running clear. Make sure all the conditioner is out. And then we're going to lay it on the wig stand to let it air dry. And there we have it. We're going to let it air dry, and in the next clip I'll show you what it looks once it's dry. It didn't take long to dry either. And about a couple of hours later, I want to say about 3 hours later, it was completely dry. The ends were look a little damp, but they were actually dry. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I apply it. Okay, so as you guys know, this is how I prep my hair. I pre-curled the wig so I could put it on. You guys know how it curls already. So I'm just gonna put it on for you guys to show you guys that after washing it, it still looks the same. I'm just going to apply this headband just to give it a little style. It's always nice to add an extra headband with another color instead of black all the time. And just give it a little pop. And voila, guys, look how nice it looks. Nice and washed up. Same condition. It's nothing different. And that's the end of my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, it's Melissa again. Welcome back to my channel. And today, guess what?